Hello and welcome to What's New with Cisco U, the monthly series where we tell you the learning and cert stuff you should know. This month is all about security. We also have two new features on Cisco U to explore, Security Learning Pass and tutorials, as well as an amazing sale this month. And of course, if you're new here and you have not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Hit that notification bell. Make sure you never miss an upload. This channel has fantastic live streams, demos, tech talks by our Cisco content developers, and tech advocates. Everything you need, whether you are trying to upscale in your current job role or try something new. There is so much to dive into, so let's get started.
Hi, I'm Kate Dignan, a product manager on the Cisco U platform team, here to talk to you about an exciting new offer we have on Cisco U, known as Challenges, in partnership with Networking Academy for the Ethical Hacker course that is available there for learners for free. On Cisco U, we're offering learners the opportunity to have hands-on experience in a lab environment, testing what they learned in the Net Academy course. If you come to Cisco U and scroll down to our For You page, which is the landing page, down below the course's offerings, you will see challenges cards. And in these challenge cards, you can see that there are two available currently. Each quarter, we will cycle through 1 to 2 new challenges, retiring them on a quarterly basis so we can stay abreast of what is going on in the ethical hacker space, as well as ensuring our content is fresh and vital for our learners. In order to purchase a challenge, learners will need to have completed the Ethical Hacker course within Networking Academy. It is a prerequisite to make the purchase. The best way for learners to know whether that is complete is if they go into their learner dashboard page and confirm that the Ethical Hacker Credly badge is there to validate that they are eligible to make the purchase for this article of content. Because my test environment, my test account is validated with that challenges, the prerequisites being complete, I can go ahead and purchase the challenge, which I have already done ahead of time. When you click into each challenge, you will see that it goes through the description, objectives, and reminds you of what the prerequisites are. You have 90 days from data purchase to complete your challenge. When you are ready to begin your challenge, you simply launch into the Capture the Flag environment, which it will take us to right now, and the challenge that you have paid for will appear under My Missions. The first time in this environment, you will be given a tutorial walkthrough of the Capture the Flag environment. Learners who are coming through Cisco U into the Capture the Flag environment for the first time will need to set up their username and avatar. Once you begin your mission, you will be taken into the challenge and be asked to launch a dCloud Lab environment so that you can complete each of the 10 challenges that are available as a part of the actual Capture the Flag event. Once you've completed all challenges, you will be taken back to Cisco U. And at that point, this button will change to Challenge Complete, and you will be given badges that will show which challenge you have completed. If this is your first challenge that you have completed in Cisco U since completing the Ethical Hacker course in Networking Academy, you will receive a completion certificate indicating you have completed the full Ethical Hacker course. The badges that you will receive look like these. These are specifically made for the two challenges that are out on Cisco U currently, and will update accordingly when all challenges are rotated in and out of Cisco U. The certificate you will receive in a separate email, and an email will be arriving into your inbox with this certificate within a 24-hour period. Feedback we got from our users was it was essential that they receive a PDF of this document so that they could print it and share it with others. So we offer them the opportunity to share through Credly as well as in print format, so everybody around the world can show what their hard work has brought. We're really excited about these features. Right now, these two challenges are more blue team aligned or defensive challenges. We will move into offering red team offensive challenges as well as purple team, a mixture of the both of them in the future. So far, the feedback we've received has been tremendous, a lot of positive feedback, and we look forward to partnering with Networking Academy on these kind of collaborations in the near future. In the meantime, if you have any additional questions on the program itself at large, I encourage you to go to the cisco.com page, where there's a very robust explainer of this collaboration between Cisco Networking Academy and Cisco U. You can also watch the webinar for a much more in-depth walkthrough of both the Ethical Hacker course as well as the Cisco U Capture the Flag offerings. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.
Hi, I'm Isa, a product manager for Cisco U. We've added a feature that you've been asking for, Resume Learning, that will make your experience even more efficient and seamless. When you're inside a learning path or tutorial and you close it out or sign out, you then log in and select the learning path in the For You page from My Learning. You'll select Resume Learning on your overview page, and you're automatically taken back to where you were before you stopped. This works the same way in tutorials. You just go to the last tutorial that you were on, you select Resume Learning, and it takes you right back to where you were. This is going to save you a lot of time with your learning, and we're excited to introduce it. Give it a try now and let us know what you think. That's it from me for now. See you on Cisco U.
In addition to new features on Cisco U, we also have some fantastic free tutorials, whether you are going for your CCNA or pursuing a security certification. From how to configure your first ACI to network security essentials, all the way to creating scripted inputs in Splunk. For a full list of free tutorials, please check out the description of this video. During the recording of this video, our Cisco experts are currently at Cisco Live in Melbourne, Australia. The Cisco U Theater is back, and a link to all of the live streams will be in the description of this video. My colleague Patrick took his microphone and his camera down to Melbourne to interview Cisco certified individuals on their certification journeys.
We're hanging out in the certification booth area where we've got our wall here of different certs. And I'm just talking to Hasita, who is here this week with us. And he was just telling me he took the ENCOR, so this one, exam on Monday. And he has some interesting news to share. Maybe you've already seen the news online, but we've changed the format of how the exam is delivered. Now, without giving away too many details, we've checked with the exam team and we're allowed to talk about this. How was your experience Monday on the new format of the exam?
Well, first of all, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. So the labs are coming now in the first part.
Yes.
And after the labs, then the MCQs, drag and drops, and those questions start.
Exactly.
So it's a huge change from a
massive, yes.
structure point of view.
Yeah.
But I found it quite logical.
Yeah.
And I can structure my time in a very quite logical manner.
Very much, yeah.
So I can mainly focus on the labs. If I can ace it down, I can move forward to the MCQs and drag and drops in the second part.
Yeah.
With a free mindset.
That's what the challenge was historically, because this is not an easy exam.
Exactly.
It's a big exam, and you never quite knew in the time that you had and the number of questions where the labs would suddenly appear.
Yeah.
So the labs were kind of front loaded at the beginning of the exam, and then you had your multiple choice questions after that.
So from a structuring and planning the exam point of view, it's really, really good. And if you can ace down your labs in the first 1 hour time slot, it will be
It gives you a chance also to calm down a little bit, right?
Exactly.
You get your labs done, and you're like, okay, I got those sorted out, and now I can go through the theory, right? The multiple choice. And
exactly. So yeah, it's always about keep calm and
keep calm and exam.
Do the exam.
And not to put you on the spot, because I know the answer. So how did it go? Did you pass the exam?
Yes, I passed it.
And what's next on your list of objectives here?
Yeah, so I'm planning to do the CCIE. CCIE and enterprise route.
Yep.
So I'm planning to do it within hopefully by next year. Yeah.
And this was an important step because that's the qualifying exam for the lab exam for CCIE.
Exactly.
Listen, thanks for talking to me.
No worries.
Appreciate it. Congratulations on the pass.
All good. Thanks.
And hopefully see you next year at
yes,
Melbourne again.
hopefully. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Now, if you are not new to Cisco Learning and Certifications, then you know that every November we have our biggest sale of the year. It's usually like a Cyber Monday or Black Friday sale. Well, this year we are doing something a little different. We are announcing the Cisco U Learning Deals. It goes for a little over a week, and it encompasses both Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Now, this sale is so big, I'm going to need a chart to go over exactly what will be on sale. But to give you a little bit of a sneak peek, between November 25th and December 2nd, we will have our best deals ever, starting with saving 40% on Cisco U Essentials. The Essentials plan is pretty much everything you need to pass that associate level exam. We are also having an upskill to multi-cloud, which is 40% off a multi-cloud learning path. That learning path can help you get a multi-cloud specialist certification and gain you a competitive advantage in the workplace. That leads us into Cyber Monday, where we have incredible deals. Save 40% off select Cisco learning products, including Cisco Study Bundles, Cisco Modeling Labs Personal and Personal Plus, and a lot more. Now, sprinkled in that week of sales, we are also having a 2-hour flash sale, and I cannot tell you when that flash sale is, and I also cannot tell you what that flash sale is, but I can tell you in order to get notified exactly when that flash sale starts, make sure you are following all the learning and certifications social media channels. Definitely keep those notifications on for the learning and certification social media pages, and you'll find out soon enough what exactly that flash sale is. I hope you are having an amazing day wherever you are around the world, and happy learning.